make repent this bed. This was 27, almost 27 or 28 years ago. Because when I come new at the time, I arrived here 1996 February 5. I remember that date because that time there is winter and too much snow at that time. So first time I encounter I see snow at that time. So this is very old bed. Then that one who make this bed and sofa also, they die already. So this is our remembrance. And this is second coating. Third, must be third coating, then it will be okay. Look nice. Yan. And very nice also design. Very simple design there, no? Flowers. Mm. If you hire somebody to make paint, then they are asking too much. So better my husband, he can make paint also better than you are better than who make paint, Dara. Eh? He can do also paint. Ayan din. So many may talaga, may changes talaga. Kasi ito makikita nyo yung yung pintura kasi very old na. Kaya this is second time to make paint after make this bed. Yung isa naman ay dito. Yung isa ay dito nilagay sa sa extension room. Ito na na ito, double coating na yan. Double coating na ito. Ayan. Yung sofa nandoon sa baba, doon sa aking biyanan. Maganda din yung sofa na ginawa ng carpenters. Maalala ko noon kasi bagong dating ako dito noon. May mga dalawa yata silang karpintero noon na gumawa nito. Dalawang beds at saka sofa. Ayan. Pag three coatings na, maganda na tingnan. Double bed. Yung itong isang bed dito sa dito yung kwarto na yan. Tapos yung doon naman na pinipinturahan nila kayo doon sa sa kabilang kwarto naman. It's already third coatings and this is last. Now there is already changes. Very nice. Enough that this third coatings?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's enough. Third coatings. That one other side there also finished or no?
No,
This one is complete. Still not complete. So after this one, then other one also. Then we become dry. Then we can keep now in room. No? Now very nice now to see, mashallah. Too much changes because after almost 28 years, 27. Yeah, 27 or like that, something like that. Because when I come new here, 1996, then that time they come, I make here. My father-in-law is still alive at the time. Yeah, because my langga 1 year there, no, at the time. 1 year and 1 year 3 months langga at the time. Then my father-in-law passed away. So almost 27 years ago na my father-in-law passed away. Ito na yung bed na pininturahan nila kay. Ayan. Maganda talaga yung changes after 3 coatings. So, ito yung isang bed dito sa isang room. Ayan. Thank you pala sa nag-sponsor nitong bedsheet with the pillow cover from Gujranwala. So, ito yung ano. Ito yung bed. Ayan. Maganda talaga yung ano, pintura. Ito yung isa na bed. Yung isa naman ay doon sa kabilang kwarto. Ito naman yung isang bed dito sa isang kwarto. Ayan. Ito din itong bedsheet na ito na may nag-sponsor din ito pero luma na itong bedsheet na ito siguro mga 5 years ago. Ayan. Ganda ng ano pagkapintura after 3 coatings.